Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about how to find blocked users on a Bluesky social. Now, I'm going to be completely honest, there's no actual way to find these blocked users because once they block you, you don't get notified, right? And of course, you cannot like, reply, mention, or follow the user who has blocked you. And their posts, replies, and profile will basically be hidden from the user who has blocked them in search. So what you can do, guys, is if you're actually keeping track of who you've been following, and then you go ahead and look for their profile, and if you don't see it in search, that means they've blocked you. So what you can do is you can try make a different account, a new account, and then search for them. And if you find them, guys, that means they've actually blocked you. So that's the only way, guys. There's no like direct way, but that is the workaround that you can use. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.